How long do golf cart batteries last? Welcome to New Golf Cart Owners 101 right now on GCGTV. Hi everyone, welcome and thank you for joining us at golfcartgarage.com. Today on GCGTV, we're taking a quick look at some FAQs, or frequently asked questions from new golf cart owners. First up, how long do golf cart batteries last? Super common question for new owners, and the real answer is it depends a great deal on your personal application and how well you maintain your batteries. If you take great care of your cart and have a relatively low-duty personal use, and most importantly, keep the batteries charged up regularly, a good set of golf cart batteries should last around 5 to 7 years. A good charger can help with that too, and sometimes get more run time as well. For the answers to the questions we get every day, check the resources section at golfcartgarage.com. We have tons of articles and videos to help you get acquainted with your cart. The Summit 2 model chargers from Lester Electrical that we carry here at Golf Cart Garage can help extend the life of your batteries by making charging and storage charging automatic. We want to tell you all about it, but that's another episode for another day. So stop by golfcartgarage.com or give us a call, 1-800-401-2934 to speak with our specialists. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more episodes. Thanks for watching GCGTV.